Ever wondered how to fix espresso extractions? You're not alone. Espresso extraction is the heart of making a great cup of java. It's the process where the delightful flavors and aromas of coffee are drawn out from the grounds, resulting in a shot of espresso that can make or break your day. But it's not just about putting water through coffee grounds. It's a delicate dance of various factors that need to be in perfect harmony. First, there's the grind size. Think of it as the foundation of your espresso. Too coarse or too fine, and your extraction time goes haywire. Then we have the cleanliness of your machine. Even a tiny bit of residue can throw the taste off balance. Water temperature, too, plays a crucial role. Not too hot, not too cold, but just right. And let's not forget about taste, the final verdict on whether you've nailed your extraction or not. So let's dive in and learn how to fix espresso extractions. First things first, let's talk about the grind size of your coffee beans. The extraction time can tell you a lot about the grind. If your espresso is running through too quickly, your grind may be too coarse. Conversely, if it's taking its sweet time, your grind may be too fine. Adjust your grinder accordingly, taking baby steps and keeping a close eye on the extraction time until it falls within the golden 25 to 30-second window. Now, let's shift gears to machine cleanliness. Residues, my friends, are the undercover taste killers. Keep your machine clean, particularly the group head, shower screen, and portafilter. Regular maintenance goes a long way in keeping your espresso tasting top-notch. And what about water temperature? Aim for a range between 195 to 205 degrees Fahrenheit, too hot or too cold, and you'll need to adjust your machine's temperature settings. A clean machine and the right grind size are your first steps to a perfect espresso. Moving on, it's time to check the water temperature and taste. The ideal water temperature for espresso extraction is between 195 and 205 degrees Fahrenheit. If your water doesn't fall within this range, it's time to adjust the machine's temperature settings. Now let's talk about taste. When you sip your espresso, pay attention to the flavor profile. If it tastes sour, the espresso might be under-extracted. To fix this, increase the dose of coffee grounds or make the grind finer. Conversely, if your espresso tastes bitter or astringent, it could be over-extracted. In this case, decrease the dose or use a coarser grind. To ensure perfect extractions, consistency is crucial. To achieve this, use a scale to measure the coffee dose and yield. Common ratios like 1 to 2 coffee to yield can be adjusted based on your preference. Experiment with different ratios to find the perfect balance. Remember, consistency is key to achieving the perfect espresso. Next up, let's focus on your tamping technique and the need for regular calibration. Consistency is the name of the game when it comes to tamping. A firm, even tamp ensures a level coffee bed and smooth extraction process. Uneven tamping, on the other hand, can lead to uneven extraction, with water finding the path of least resistance, ultimately affecting the taste of your espresso. Now, let's talk about regular calibration. This is crucial for maintaining the accuracy of your grind settings. Over time, your grinder's settings may drift, and without regular checks and adjustments, you could be brewing with an off-kilter grind. Following the manufacturer's guidelines for cleaning and maintenance is a good starting point. Moreover, don't forget the importance of keeping detailed records of your adjustments and their impacts. This will help you refine your process over time, leading to a more consistent and superior espresso. By following these tips and keeping an open mind for continuous learning and adjustment, you'll be on your way to fixing espresso extractions in no time.